Hello, I'm Mihela. Today I'll be talking about an ocean bird you can also find in lakes and rivers. The whiskered tern. The whiskered tern is a tern in the family Laridae. Breeds in warmer parts of Europe and the Palearctic. The smaller build and darker tern is found in East and South Africa and the paler tern from Java to Australia. Breeding adult has distinctive dark smoky grey body and contrasting white cheeks underneath a black cap. Non-breeding plumage pale silvery grey overall with a faded shadow of the cap. Juvenile has dark checkered back. Common around wetlands, lakes and rivers. Feeds by picking from surface, not splash diving like typical terns. Their calls are like locally named Alupiya Kangul Lihiniya. I have not seen the whiskered tern. As mentioned, you can spot them around beaches. Did you know that Sri Lanka is a fantastic place to learn surfing? And these are some of the pictures of us surfing at Bentota beach in one of our recent trips.